how to program a new trailer in a Toyota Tundra. So on your screen here, we're going to be playing with this corner here as well. We're going to be using the back arrow, side to side, and your toggle switch. So in here, we're going to use the side arrow, and we are going to go over here to the vehicle info, so you can kind of see that little picture there. And when you toggle down, you'll go through your tire pressure monitoring, and then here you're going to say brake controller selected. So with this one here, this is where you would use your brake controller. For today's purposes, we're going to program a trailer. So you're going to press and hold the OK switch to activate. We are going to select or add a trailer. We're going to add a new trailer. We're going to call this one our camper trailer because it's camp season. We are going to let it know that it's either got a ball, or if it's a fifth wheel or a gooseneck. In this case, we'll use a ball. We're going to let it do auto length, or you could say it's a 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter. With auto detect, it will decide for you brake type, electric brake, heavy, low, or if you're not going to use the brake controller at all on here. So you select those, and then you're going to save it. At that point, you can say, do you want to use this trailer? Yes. Camper 1 selected. Use the back arrow. If you want to deselect this trailer, you can deselect the trailer by pressing OK, and then the back arrow. You can also delete a trailer. Camper trailer, yes, we want to delete it at that point as well.